Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here, and happy holidays. And guys, today we have the Happy Holidays collab, and this was started by Hope with Real Life with Hope. And thank you. She is our hostess, and you want to be sure and check her out. She has kept us all in check, and she has given us a list of things that we can do in the Happy Holiday collab. Now there are 18 in this collab, and of course I've played the beginning song that has everybody in it, but I want to go over everybody with you. And in this collab we'll have 3 groups. Now there are prizes, and not everyone's doing a giveaway, but most are doing a giveaway. If they are doing a giveaway, they will tell you so, and you'll have instructions based on what they want you to do. So follow their instructions. You will need to be subscribed to everyone in that group if you want to have an opportunity to win their giveaway. Now in group 1 we have Real Life with Hope, which is our hostess. Thank you very much, Hope. We have Bonnie's Bargains, Life with Christine, Beauty After 50, Jennifer Loves Makeup, and we have Beautifying MZ. And that is Mary, in case you didn't know. And in group 2, we have Kim with Kim's Little of a Lot. We have Laura Wooten channel. We have Miss Jackie Russell, which is me. We have Hollerita, and we have Sandy's Books and More, and we have Arlene with Unboxing with Arlene. And guys, I'm looking at names, so I may not have the exact channel name, so be sure and refer back to the video that shows everyone's channel names. In group 3, we have Taylor Marie, we have Tea Time Adventures, we have the CC, we have Tracy and Chloe Unboxing, and we have Wendy Jean, and that's Unboxing with Wendy Jean, and we have the Wicked Awesome Lifestyle Ladies, and that's Erica and Sherry. So those are the persons that's in our collab. And what did I decide to do? Well, why not? I decided to do another mystery box with Habitation. I like the Habitation box, so I got me another mystery Habitation box, and this mystery Habitation box is going to have some decor for winter. Now I will tell you that we had the options. Hope gave us the options of decorating. We could pick any holiday. It doesn't have to be Christmas. It can be Hanukkah. It can be non-religious type holiday. It can be any type of holiday. Of course, I'm going to focus more toward Christmas because I like to have a Merry Christmas, and I'm sure many of you do too. But I just wanted to let you know there could be DIYs, there could be home decor, there could be decor hauls like from Target, Dollar General, and Dollar Tree, and like me, there could be some unboxings, and I'm doing a mystery box with Habitation. So let's break into this box and find out what we have. And these boxes run $39.99 on her site, and that's habitationbox.com. You can subscribe to Habitation, and I just recently did a video, and I'll have that down, if I remember, down in the bottom to link up, so that you could take a look at it, because the winter was beautiful. And at the end of this video I'll insert some of the pictures of the decorations that I did. Since we're doing holiday decoration here, we'll just throw that in. But what I have in this box, are several little things just in time for Christmas, and let's find out what they are. Oh, look at this. We have us a little, I think it's like, well, let's see what this is. Nestled inside there, or inside here. Let's pull this wrapping paper off and look at what we have, guys. This is a little, I guess, basket that you could use for several different things. And I would say, number 1, you could use it for a candle holder, and it would be very nice. And I have a feeling this is a candle inside this little packet. Oh, and it is. And it's an electric candle, so if you get you a little battery, which I don't know what kind it takes, then it would light up. But I don't have batteries in there, so I'm just going to set this down in here. But you would have the candle. Now isn't that lovely? And it would have a glow, so that's a good start. So we have a basket, and of course you could use other things for this. If you didn't want a candle in it, you might want to set another little top decorative piece in there. It could even be like a little top of bird cage. So there's number 1 and number 2. And usually in her boxes we'll get 4 to 5 items in her mystery boxes for $39.99. And Kelly Agra is the owner of Habitation Box, and she does a wonderful job decorating. Now the next thing I'm pulling out of there is a couple of things, and I think they're the same thing. I think we have 2, and they are some tea towels that with holly, and it has happy holidays on there. No, it has joy to the world. So aren't those cute? So there's 2 of them, so you can have a matching set. And these are tea towels, and they're very festive and very holiday. And like I said, there are 2, and here's the second one, and it is on a hanger. Joy to the world. So very nice. I love that. I love the holly. I love the look to it. And our last item in here looks to be a wreath. And guys, this is so pretty. This could be used, to hang on your door, or if you are so inclined, you could nestle this down in here. You would have your candle in there, and it would be lit up, and you could use it as a wreath candle holder to decorate on your table if you would like to. Or like I said, this here is so versatile. If you wanted to hang it up, you could definitely hang it up on the wall. But it's very pretty. It's got the berries in there in green. It's got a few pine cones on it, and it's just very nice. And you can probably plume it out a little bit. It's been packaged, so it's always, kind of different when you're trying to package. It's got some snowflakes on there. It's just very, very cute. And like I said, can be used as a candle ring decorator on your table, up on the wall, on your door. So that is my habitation box, mystery box. What do you think? What's your favorite item? Looks like we had 5 items all together if you count the 2 tea towels. And we have the wreath. We have our little basket with the candle. And we have our tea towels. Now, what's in my giveaway? I am going to have a giveaway, and the secret code word is going to be holiday. And I am going to send a tea towel home with you. So you will get a tea towel. And we are also going to have some other little goodies. And in addition to sharing the little tea towel, I'm going to send home a little bit of makeup. This is an Ofra blush. It's in a very pretty color. I love that color, but I have so many blushes. I'm going to share it with you guys. This is the Candy Apple, just perfect for this time of year. I'm going to send home some face biro serum, and this here is a serum that you use. I think you can use it day and night. It's a face serum. It's natural skincare with amber oil and mineral water. So we're going to send some of this home with you. If you enter to win, it's a possibility of winning. I'm also going to include these lavender foot masks. So you'll get a package of 3 of the lavender foot mask, and you will get this Athena eye palette. And this is a Laritzi eye palette. It's got beautiful neutral colors, as you can see, and it's mostly in the pinks. Some of those could maybe be used as a blush, but they're neutral tones, and you have all colors of pink with a little bit of darker red or mauve color over there. So very, very nice. And the secret code word, what code word do you have to use? I think I told you. Got to use holiday. Now, what are the rules? The rules are you must be 18 years or older. You must have an address in the continental USA and or Canada. I'm going to open this up to Canada. Charmaine was supposed to be part of our little collaboration, and I had told her I would open this up to Canada, and she was not able to make our collab, but I'm going to hold true to that, and this will be opened up to USA and Canada, and you will get an opportunity, if you use the word holiday, for the Laritzi palette, the foot treatment mask, the Ofra blush, the Biro serum, and then for the holidays, you can have Joy to the World, this little tea towel for you as well. And I may throw in a couple more things, but this is the main event of what you'll get in this giveaway. Do remember, YouTube and our Habitation Box or any of these brands that I just shown are not affiliated with this giveaway in any way. You must be 18 years of older, have an address in the continental USA or Canada. You must be subscribed to Group 2. Group 2 is Laura Wooten, and that's the Laura Wooten channel, not Laura Wooten Unboxings. You need to go over to her other channel. She has a vlogging channel, and she's going to be doing this. And do remember that she is doing the 25 days of Christmas, and it'll already be started by the time this starts on her Laura Wooten Unboxing. So if you want a chance to win one of the 25 giveaways on that channel, I would suggest hopping over there and checking out what day 3 is on December 3rd. But we will have in 2 Kim's Little of a Lot, Laura Wooten, Miss Jackie Russell, Hollerita, Sandy's Books and Beauty for the Ages, an unboxing with Arlene. So those are the 6 that you need to be subscribed to in group 2. I'll have groups 1, 2, and 3 all down in the bottom for you to reference to. And let me know what your favorite item is. Personally, for me, my favorite item was the wreath. I thought that was just the topper for the whole thing. I really liked that. And Kelly Agra really puts together a great box. And like I said, at the end of this, I'm going to show some photos of the Habitation box for December. It's still available if you want to order that as well. It's $130 or $120 on contract. If you're interested in that, it's a beautiful curation. I'm also going to have a picture of my Christmas decor place settings that I put together just to show you a little bit of decoration on what you can do. And if I can get anything put together with this, I'll toss in some pictures of that too. Be sure and check my descriptions for all the rules, because I have mentioned several, and one of them, of course, is I'm not responsible if anything's broken or damaged or lost. I'm not responsible for any allergic reactions, and there's some other rules down there that you might want to check into. But that is all I have today for the Happy Holiday Collabs, and I wish you all a Merry Christmas. And I just realized I forgot to put on my little Santa hat. Boo-hoo. I'm gonna put it on right now. I forgot to put on my little hat. I don't know what I was thinking. But I totally forgot to put this on before I started rolling the camera, and it's way too late to do it now. But I just want you to know that I wish you all happy holidays. I wish you all a Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, happy whatever it is that you do for this time of the year. I myself am a believer in Jesus Christ, and we celebrate Christmas. And I wish you all that want a Merry Christmas, and happy holidays to all of you who celebrate other top holidays. As for today, that's all I have, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.